Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Abrar and I read in class 3. We are making an experiment of liquid, solid and gas. So let's get started. This is the ice solid. When I am throwing down the table, it has one shape and one volume. This is the liquid. It has no shape but has volume. When I am downing into the table, it has another shape, no shape, and when I am putting in the glass, it has another shape. So this is the gas. Look. The water vapor is floating up to the sky. So I will show you how it will melt when I am throwing to the hot water the ice. Wait a moment. It is melted. Bye. Assalamualaikum everyone.